Hello everyone, this is 𝗬𝗲𝗀𝗵𝗿𝗲 from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Hero MotoCorp. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Hero MotoCorp with a price target of Rs 6,057 on a healthy recovery in EBITDA margins, strong response to its latest products, continuous focus on premiumization and expansion of its EV markets. The performance of its EV business is expected to improve in coming quarters on rise in volumes, launch of new affordable products, and availability of PLI benefits to new EV products. Further, the rural recovery augurs well for the company due to its strong presence in rural markets. Stock trades at price to equity multiple of 17.4 times its FY26 estimates. Next, we cover Lumax Auto Technologies. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Lumax Auto Technologies with a price target of Rs 682, based on the anticipated improvement in the product mix, increased content per vehicle, inorganic growth opportunity, and expanded growth opportunities supported by IACI's business. Order book has reached to Rs 1,050 crores in Q2 versus 1,000 crore in Q1. Further, management is looking for healthy demand trends in second half of FY25. Stock trades at price to equity multiple of 13.2 times its FY27 estimated earnings.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.